Tentacle robot revolutionises offshore inspections. Safe, smarter and sustainable subsea tech. Meet the ocean's newest inspector, a tentacle-like robot developed by the UK's National Robotarium and Brazil Senai Cimatec, designed to make offshore subsea inspections safer and more efficient. Unlike rigid robotic arms, this 1-metre long soft manipulator bends and conforms to delicate structures, reducing the risk of damage when working near complex subsea equipment. It moves using a flexible backbone with tendon-like cables, while sensors allow it to understand its shape and position even in turbulent water. In tests, the robot held steady against external forces up to 300 grams and could correct its position within seconds when disturbed, showing impressive stability and precision. With subsea infrastructure at depths of nearly 3,000 metres requiring constant checks and decommissioning costs projected to exceed $100 billion by 2030, this technology could extend the safe life of offshore assets while cutting costs and environmental impact. Rowanne Miller, project manager at the National Robotarium, said this innovation doesn't just improve current tools, but fundamentally changes how underwater inspections can be carried out. By enabling smaller underwater vehicles to take on inspection work without larger vessels or divers, this technology offers a safer, more sustainable and more economic way to maintain vital offshore energy and marine infrastructure. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.